there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittney Bundles, and today's video is going to be a vlog video. On the agenda today, I know that I need to stop at the grocery store like ASAP. My mom actually just got in town last night, and I planned on going grocery shopping yesterday, but the day just didn't map out that way. I decided to go ahead and just get like some takeout yesterday. I was really tired. I just wasn't feeling good. So all of my plans didn't get fulfilled as I intended them to be. Or intended them to do. So I'm going to the grocery store. I'm just going to grab a few things. And then I'm going to go home and start working. On the work agenda, I do know that I need to send over a quote for a website and content manager. So I'm going to be working with this business in regards to managing their website on an ongoing basis, and also assisting with different content and marketing strategies. So I'm going to send over a proposal for that via email. And I know I have a few other things to do too today. I'm just not sure. I know I also need to edit a video so that I can post a video today, because the video that I'm recording now will not go up today. It'll probably go up tomorrow. Okay. Right now I'm in the school line. Well, I'm leaving the school lines, but it's still a big line out here in the main street. I just got done dropping off my youngest son, and I'm about to head over, like I said, to the grocery store. My mom's birthday is coming up in a few days, so I do also want to kind of plan what I want to do for her. She came down here to visit, so she really doesn't. I asked her last night, like, you know, what place do you want to eat? Do you have a place that you want to eat for your birthday, or do you have something you want to do? And she's like, no, I don't really know what to do down here. I don't know where the good spots are or anything like that. And I completely know how she feels, because that's how I felt when I came down here. It just felt like it was an extended visit for a while. But now that I've been here for a good minute, I'm starting to adjust. I'm going to be doing an updates video to let you know how I feel now about staying where I stay versus where I used to live. So I'll be doing an updates video soon. I can say moving away from your family is definitely a challenge. There are some perks if you do move to a place, you know, that you want to move to, as far as your self-fulfillment. There are also some perks as far as your business, if you are moving for business related reasons. There's also perks with meeting new people and trying new things, but there are downsides. You know, with everything, there's typically a good and a bad. So there are downsides to moving so far away as well, that I'll be sharing just all of my feelings with you all in a video coming up really soon. But I was thinking of taking her out to dinner, and then my husband thought of an idea of taking her to like this jazz club, and he really loves it there, and she loves jazz too, so I'm thinking that she may love it. So that's what we're thinking of doing, but I still I haven't like solidified all of the plans yet, nor bought any tickets, nor made any reservations. So I'm planning on celebrating her birthday on Friday, and she'll be here she got in Tuesday night, so she'll be here Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. So for today, I'm gonna call her in a little bit and see if she's up, see if she wants to get breakfast or do something, and then hope everything's okay, and then we'll go from there. But that's what's on the agenda. I just wanted to touch in with you all, let you know that I will be vlogging today and taking you all with me, and I will turn the camera back on once I'm just on to the next task. So I'll see you all in just a moment. Okay, so I got out of Publix, and I'm thinking that I'm on my way back home. Well, actually, I was going to stop at the dollar store to grab a few more things, but I got a call from my husband. He's like, hey, did you grab the eggs? Well, no, I didn't know that I was supposed to get eggs. And then he was like, did you get evaporated milk? No, I didn't know. So, yeah. Whew, I thought I was almost home. So I'm back at the grocery store. I'm not at Publix. I actually stopped at another grocery store by the name of Ingles. We don't have Publix nor Ingles. Well, I'm not used to Publix nor Ingles. I'm a little bit more used to Ingles than I am Publix, but I'm used to shopping at like Myers, because that's what they have in Michigan. But they have, other stores too, but Myers is like the store that I typically go to and that I was at when I used to do my vlogs. So I was just trying to get to know. I think I like Ingles a lot. I prefer Ingles for like my fruit parfaits in the morning, salads. Their salads are like the best that I've tasted out of any grocery store thus far. I do like their vegetables, their meats, and it's just a pleasant experience when I go in there. I also like their wine selection. So I prefer to go to Publix, but there are still some, like if I'm just going in to get like, let's just say like soap or something like that, I don't mind going to another grocery store to get that. But for like produce, Publix has been the freshest in my opinion. But I don't know, I haven't seen all the grocery stores or shopped at all the grocery stores down here either. So, but yeah, I'm gonna go into Ingles and get the evaporated milk and eggs. Don't let me forget it, guys. And then I'm going to go home, unpack these groceries, and get ready to start my day. I'm not even dressed for the day. I just threw on some clothes to take the kids to school. So I'll be right back out in just a minute. So I got dressed and I'm about to meet my mom downstairs. If you hear that noise, please ignore it. It's just the washer and dryer going again. I know it seems like every time I start recording, I'm washing clothes. Anyways, I'm about to meet my mom. She's downstairs waiting on me. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the vlog, she's down here for the weekend. Yeah, we're just gonna go and get a few things from the store, I think, and I'm gonna show her a few things, a few places. We're not gonna do too much because we have a dinner planned at my spot at like 5 or 6. So we're gonna be back in like a few hours, but the vlog still continues. I just wanna pick you all up and let you know where we're at so far, what we're doing. Let me quickly change the load, or no, I'm gonna recycle the dryer. For some reason, I have to have these dryers looked at. They're brand new dryers, brand new washer and dryers, but for some reason, I've had to recycle the dryers like twice before they completely dry the loads. And I'm not stuffing the dryer or anything like that. I tried to put just a few things in it, and it still left the clothes kind of damp. And then I tried to put like my normal size load in it, and it still was a little damp. So I've been having to cycle the dryer twice. So I'm gonna give them a call tomorrow and figure out why that is, because I can't figure it out. So I'm gonna head out, and I will pick you all back up once we either come. I'll probably pick you all back up once we're in the car too. So stay tuned. So today was pretty fun. We just got done eating dinner about an hour ago. What else? We just chilled out and listened to music after dinner. And right now I'm about to work on a couple projects that I have going on. I'll be talking about those projects in more detail later on in the near future. And I am going to be doing something really cool on my badchickhair_biz Instagram page coming up next week. So if you are not following that page, be sure to follow it. I'm super excited to do this. And again, I'm going to be sharing more details later on. But right now I'm about to get the kids in the bed, and I'm about to work on my project like I mentioned. And then I'm probably going to head to bed myself. So let me go ahead and get them in the bed, and then I'll pick the camera back up and show you all what I'm doing and close out.